Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Talk Tokan Kita, ang podcast kung saan ideas ang kinakatok at hindi ang ulo. Walang sakitan, walang personalan dahil dito, talk-talk lang. Ako si Ellie and today, ang topic natin is about yours truly. Samahan niyo ako na i-share ang onte about me and what I'm all about and all the quirks in between. Ayan. First things first, sino nga ba ako? Hi, I'm Ellie. Short for Eliza. Full name ay Eliza Jean P. Tolentino. Your friendly, jolly DevCom student here at UPLB. Ayan. I'm the type of person na mahilig makapag-friends, whether tao or pusat aso, game. Ayan. I've always been a people person. Mahilig makipagkwentuhan, chikahan, and yes, I am that friend na may joke lagi. Hindi, joke lang. See, may joke. Nag-gets niyo yun? Hindi, joke lang. Ay! You'll probably catch me hanging out with my barkada. Well, trio lang naman kami or having mini heart-to-hearts with the campus cats and dog. Kung makikita niyo sa IG ko, ayan. Araw-araw ay may story siya ng pusa or aso. Yan. Pag-usapan muna natin, bakit ako nasa DevCom? Bakit nasa DevCom si Ellie? So, bakit nga ba? Dati kasi, akala ko mag-a-accountant ako. Kasi yun yung sabi ng parents ko, ng lola ko, and ng marami pang tao kasi, ayun na, math and such, Pero alam mo yun, nung I figured out na meron DevCom at a young age, sabi ko, eto na yon. This is where I can make real connections with people while doing something meaningful. 'Di ba? I love the idea of using communication to empower and create change. So here I am, trying to do just that. One kwento at a time. Ayun. So, next question tayo. Ano ang hilig ni Ellie na gawin? Like, hobbies and skills. Anong mga hobbies and skills ni Ellie? Aside from being a certified dogo and kitty whisperer, I love playing guitar. Ayan. Give me an acoustic, an electric, kahit ano pa yan, I'll strum away. Kasi I really, really love my guitar babies. So, aside from playing guitars, reading is also my jam. Especially kung may kasamang good nap in between chapters. Hindi, joke lang. As for skills, I'm big on simplifying things naman. Sa DevCom, you've gotta make complex stuff accessible. Kasi, nasabi ko na to sa last episode, na we are trained to make complicated topics simpler. I mean, simple. Oh my gosh, simpler. Kaya yun, kung kailangan nyo ng kwento na relatable and medyo madaling i-grasp, I'm your girl. Hit me up. Ayan. Next question tayo. Medyo mabilis ba? Nag-grasp niyo ba kung sino talaga ako? Pero ayun, medyo mabilis lang tayo for today's video kasi wala lang. Ako lang naman tong pag-uusapan natin. Hoy! So ang favorite na topics ni Ellie pagdating sa pagsusulat or yung mga topics na interested akong pag-usapan, i-discuss, and all about that. Okay. So, I'm all about tackling social issues. Mahilig ako sa mga kwentong may saysay, especially about education, mental health, environment, politics. Sige, dagdag na natin ng politics. I believe stories have power. So, I like diving into those topics na may potential for real change. Ayan. Creative storytelling is also my thing, Give me a tough topic. Hindi, joke lang. And, yun, kahit anong topic actually, give me a topic and I'll find a way to make it engaging and relatable. Kasi yun yung ginagawa ng infomercials, 'di ba? Infomercial specialists. Yun kasi yung apat yung naging last na position sa Radio Broadcast nung senior high school ako. So, news presenter, infomercial, scriptwriter, and director. Ayun. So, give me a topic and I'll find a way to make it engaging and informative and relatable and such. Plus, sometimes, I write about my four-legged friends. Let's be real. Cats and dogs do deserve their time to shine too, diba? So, next tayo na question. Ano ang mga aspirations ni Ellie? Bakit parang ang weird kapag tinatagalog? Pero ayun, ang mga aspirations ko. Maybe goal is to make a lasting impact. Uy! Lasting impact ka dyan. Someday kasi gusto ko maging involved sa mga developmental projects or local or international. Basta may kwento, may saysay, may impact talaga. Basta gusto ko ng recognize na, hindi naman kailangan na recognize, pero basta nakatulong ako ganun. I want to be the kind of communicator na who can work with communities making change that matters. Ayun. Maybe one day, etong podcast ko, Taktakan Kita goes global. I dream big, but hey, that's what makes life exciting, diba? Malay nyo. Uy, pero feeling ko naman after ng Defcom 11, ay, joke lang. Feeling ko kasi hindi ko na ito mako-continue after ng Defcom 11. Pero sana, wag naman natin i-manifest. Ayun. So, nakalimutan ko, isa rin pala akong Swiftie. So, like, pwede niyo kung makausap about Taylor Swift, ganyan, go! So, yun. Meron akong, binuong acronym na acronym ng name ko. 3 letter lang naman siya. So, madali lang siya. So, for letter E, enthusiastic connector, because I love meeting new people, be they furry or not. And L, lively advocate. Always down for a good kwentuhan, especially kung may cause behind it. Or, actually, kahit hindi. Kahit we're just new friends, go. Kwentuhan tayo. Chikahan. And din ako dyan. I, impact maker. Kasi at the end of the day, I want my stories to leave a mark. And, yeah, Ellie. That's me in a nutshell. A cheerful soul with a passion for people, pets, and purpose. Yes, 3 P's. Yes. Alright, so, mga katok-tokan, that's all for today. Tapusin na natin yung chikahan na to. Sana naman nakilala nyo ako ng kahit kaunti. Kung may similarities tayo sa hobbies or pets, let me know. Walang sakitan, walang personal. Dahil dito, talk-talk lang. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye!